Good morning everyone. Now in this class today we are going to learn how to add or subtract integers with the help of a toy car. In my previous video we have done the addition and subtraction with the help of an activity. This is also the same. Okay, so we will learn. So just check the line the car is sitting on. This is called the number line and car will start from 0. Okay, so to the left of 0 we have positive numbers, and to the left of 0 we have negative numbers, and this I think we have already done. So for doing addition and subtraction of integers on the number line, we will stick to some rules. Okay, so here it will always start from 0 facing towards right. Right means facing towards the positive integers, and if it sees a positive integer it will move forward. Forward means it will go to the positive integers or to the right side. Then if it sees a negative number it will go backward, it will take a back gear, right? Then addition sign means it has to move to the next number in wherever direction it is. Okay, and if it sees a subtraction sign it has to turn around. Okay, so first example we are going to discuss. So it is 2 plus 4 we have to do. So first of all students, just remember we have to start from 0, right? So car will start from 0 and facing towards right side. So first number is 2 and it is a positive integer. It means it will move 2 steps forward now. So it will start from 0 and it is moving, just check, 2 steps. So now it is at 2, right? Next is the addition sign. So there is no need to change the direction. The next integer again is plus 4. So it means it will go 4 steps forward in the same direction. So just check, after 2 it is going to 4 steps forward it is going. So now the car is at 6. So it means 2 plus 4 we have concluded from the number line. 2 plus 4 will become 6. Now let's check the next example. Here we have to add a negative integer with a positive integer. So it is minus 2 plus 5, right? So again starting rule will be same. Okay, so car starts from 0 facing towards right side. So face of the car is towards right side. Now it is a minus sign. First is minus. Negative integer it is. Minus sign shows the negative integer here. It is minus 2, right? So the car will move in backward direction. It will move in back direction. So just check. So it has gone in back direction and 2 steps backward, right? Now next we have to add 5. It means it will add, we will add. So now we have to add 5, right? So to add 5, what will we do? Car will go 5 steps forward. Forward means to the right direction towards the positive integers. So just check. Now it is moving 5 numbers. So minus 2, after that moving 5 numbers it stops at 3. So it means minus 2 plus 5 will become plus 3, right? Now let's see the subtraction. So there is a big difference between addition and subtraction. Okay, so car is always facing right, but when it sees a negative sign which shows the subtraction sign, then it will take 180-degree turn. It will change its direction. So let's see the example. Now it is 5 minus 3. Just check here students, it is like both the numbers are positive, but there is minus sign between them, shows the subtraction sign here. So here car will start from 0, okay, and first integer it sees is 5 units, so it has to move 5 units forward. So it starts from 0 moving 5 numbers. Just check, we have moved 5 numbers. So it shows it reaches at 5. Now it is a subtraction sign. So after seeing the subtraction sign, what we need to do? It has to turn its direction now, right? So 180-degree turn means now our face is towards left direction. Now next is 3, and just check the negative sign. We have taken an action for the negative sign, which was the subtraction sign. So we have turned our direction. Now next it has to move 3 steps forward, because 3 is a positive integer. So it reaches at 2. It means 5 minus 3 gives you 2. So student, this is just an activity, but whenever you are doing it on your notebooks, you have to show each and every direction and you have to mark it with the pencil as we have done it in question number 1. Okay. So next example is, you have to, first integer is negative integer. So again from the first rule, start from 0 facing towards right. First integer is negative integer, so it has to go 4 steps backward, right? So just see, we are going 4 steps backward now, and from 0 we are at minus 4. Now next it sees the minus subtraction sign. It is not the negative integer, it is the subtraction sign, right? So it has to change its direction. So car moves, right, 180-degree turn. Now next integer is 2. It is plus 2. It is a positive integer. So it means we have to move 2 steps forward, but in the same direction now. In which direction? Car is facing right now. Okay. So 2 steps to the left, because we have changed the direction of car. We have already changed it. So now it is at minus 6. It means that minus 4 minus 2 will become minus 6. Now next, last example is 2 minus minus 3 now. So again first rule will be same, start from 0 facing towards right. Now first integer, first of all just check, it is 2. It means you will start from 0 and you have to move 2 steps forward or to the right side. So just check, we will move at 2. Now next we see a subtraction sign. It means we have to, car has to turn 180 degree. So we have taken a 180 degree turn, and now the face of the car is towards left side. And now it sees a negative integer, it is minus 3. Okay, so just check, there are 2 negative signs. First sign was showing, it was subtraction sign. Second sign is for the integer, it is a negative integer minus 3. Okay, so sign, minus sign which is in the bracket, it shows the negative sign. It is negative integer, it is for negative integer. And after 2 with the pink color, there is a minus sign which shows, which is the subtraction sign, right? So just see, we have to take 3 steps backward for minus 3 and we reach at 5. So 2 minus minus 3 will become plus 5. Now just see the next example. It is now subtraction of 2 negative integers. So car again start from 0. So minus 3 means we have to take 3 steps backward. So we reach at minus 3. Now there is a subtraction sign. So again for subtraction sign, what we have to do? We have to change the direction, right? So now direction changed, right? So just check. Now next is minus 5. So sign in pink color in front of 5 is the sign for negative integer, and the sign which is in between 2 brackets, that is the subtraction sign. For that subtraction sign, we have changed the direction of the car. And now next for minus 5, we have to take 5 steps backward. So we are going to 5 steps backward from minus 3 and we are at 2 now. So it means that minus 3 minus minus 5 will become plus 2. Thank you. This was all about how to add or subtract integers on the number line. Hope all of you have got it. Now you can do all the sums related to this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.